Happy Monday, guys! And today is such an exciting Monday because this is the first day of our back to school in person on our AB schedule week. Woohoo! That means some of you are getting live number corner today and tomorrow in the classroom. And some of you are watching at home, but you'll get it live on Wednesday and Thursday. And then some of you are staying home and you're gonna watch it from your home every day this week. And I'm so excited that everybody's gonna get exactly what they need. Are you ready to do number corner? Okay, we have to take care of 2 days on our calendar today because we're coming back from a weekend. And remember Friday, we already took care of Friday and Saturday. But the weekend has 2 days, so we also have to take care of Sunday. So today we're gonna do Sunday and today, which is Monday. So take a look at the calendar, see if you remember a pattern, and I want you to start thinking what might be on today's card. What do you think is going to be on today's card? All right, let's see if you're right. Did you think it was going to be this? So what are you looking at right now? 2 double 10 frames, 1 double 10 frame, 2 double 10 frames, and then how many dots? Ooh, how do you know this is 27 dots? So you see 1 full group of 10, 2 full groups of 10. So remember our houses, 1s, 10s, 2 groups of 10. And then how many are down here? How can you tell that's 7 without even counting them? Oh, some of you see 6 and 1 more. That's great subitizing. So 6 and 1 more is 7. So 2 10s and 7 1s, that would be 27 dots. Let's count them all to make sure it really is 27. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. Very good. So after 27 dots, I want you to think what would be next. What do you think is going to be on today's card? Look at the pattern. All right, you have your prediction? Is this what you thought was going to be on today's card? What are you looking at? You're looking at some tallies, very good. And then how many tallies do you see? How do you know it's 28? Well, 28 has 2 groups of 10, 1 group of 10, 2 groups of 10. So 2 groups of 10, and then there are 8 extras, or 8 ones, 2 10s and 8 ones. How do we know this is 8? You see 5 and 3. Great, that's subitizing when you don't have to count. When you see parts and you know what those parts are when they're together, that's subitizing. So we have 28. Very good. So we only have 2 more days left in September. I wonder if you already know what's going to be on those 2 cards. We will find out if you are right later on. Let's take a look at this. Keeping track of how many days you've been in school, we're going to add another X for today. Now, tell me, how many days have you been in school? All right, 23. How can you tell that's 23? 2 groups of 10, so 10. I'm going to use a darker marker. Hold on just a second. I want to make sure you can see it. So you see 10 and 10, so 2 groups of 10. Then you also see 3, and that is 23. Great job. How else could you tell that this is 23? Ooh, if you know that 2 10s is 20, and then you see 3 1s, that would tell you that it's 23. Great job. 20 and 3 make 23. What about this? How many are right here? 5, so there's a group of 5. Then how many right here? A group of 5. Then how many right here? A group of 5. Then how many right here? A group of 5. And then how many right here? 3. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 5s and 3 more. Does anybody know how to count by 5s? All right, let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. So that would also be 23. All right, let's make a number bond for 23. Do you remember what goes here? That's called the whole. And how many do we have all together? Whole means all of them. We have 23 boxes colored. Now, how many do we have right here? 20. And how many do we have right here? 3. So 23 can be broken into a group of 20 and a group of 3. Or 20 and 3 can be put together to be 23. And look, this equation matches this number bond. Part plus part equals whole. Say it with me. Part plus part equals whole. One more time. Part plus part equals whole. Good job. Now all of these have plus signs. If all of them have plus signs, what kind of equations are those? Addition. Very good. What is addition? Putting numbers together. Can you do that with me? Addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. Addition, subtraction. Very good. So addition is putting it together. Subtraction is taking it apart. And all of these we're putting together because we use plus sign for all of them. Great job. All right. Let's do your money. Do you remember what this is? Penny, penny, easily spent. It's copper brown and worth 1 cent. Good. This one? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. What about this one? Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Good job. All right, I'm going to grab us a penny. I'm going to add a penny to each one of those rows because we're looking at 3 different ways to make 23. So we could do 23 ones. Ooh, let's even try writing that out today. 23 ones. We're going to change these into equations today. Ooh, that sounds like it's going to be tough. You think you're up for it? All right, it's going to be a lot of ones because we have 23 pennies. So we could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. I'm going to add some over here. 22, 23. And that would equal 23. Look at all those ones we added. That would be like adding all these pennies. There's 23 ones. Look down here. Do you remember how much a nickel's worth? 5 cents. So we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. We have 4 5s plus 1, 2, 3. 3 pennies. 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23. All right, let's go down to this bottom row. Do you remember how much a dime is worth? 10. So we have 10 plus 10 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. 10 and 10 is 20, 21, 22, 23. Look at that, 3 different equations that match our money. So we have 23 cents. Do you remember the cent sign? Yeah, 23 cents. All right, let's do the straws. Let's see how many days you have left and how many days you've been in school. Whoop, there we go. Okay, so you did have 143 days left, but you came to school. So we're going to take 1 from here. We're going to take it away from 143. So it was 143, but I took 1 away. So now it's 142. 142. And over here it was 22, but I'm adding 1 more. So now it's Still 20, but it's now 23. One more than 22 is 23. There we go. So let's take a look at these. We have 142. That's what 142 looks like. But let's break it apart and talk about how much this is, how much that is, and how much that is. Looks like a 2. Let's see. Is it really 2? Yep. 2 in the one spot really is 2. All right. Looks like a 4. Let's grab them out. Is that really just 4 straws? No, it's 4 bundles of 10. So this has 10, this has 10, this has 10, and this has 10. So we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So while that looks like a 4, it's really 40. And now let's go to the hundreds pocket. Looks like a 1, doesn't it? But let's see what's actually in that 1. Whoa! It's in the hundreds house, so guess how many straws are in this bundle? 100. So 142 is 142. If we took all of these rubber bands off and I just threw all these straws in your lap and you counted them all, there'd be 142. All right, let's take a look at 23. 23 looks like 2 and 3. Now let's see what that 3 really is. Looks like a 3, and it's 3. One's house, that really is just 3. All right, let's come over here. Looks like a 2. 2 bundles, but is that just 2 straws? No, they each have 10, so how much is that? 20. That 2 is really 20. So, how much is in this hand? 20, 3, 20, 3, 23, 23, 23. Together, 23. 20 and 3 make 23. Good job. So there's your 23. All right, before we go, let's grab the 10 frames. And let's see if you can tell me how many dots there are. We're getting faster every day. Ready? 7, 3, 6, 0, 5, 9, 10, 2, 1, 8, 4, 7, 3, 6, 0, 5, 9, 10, 2, 1, 8, 4, 7, 3, 6, 0, 5, 9. Great job. I hope that you have a wonderful, wonderful Monday, and I will see you tomorrow.